I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting moving in a controlled cadence and light pressure on the pedals. Once rolling, ease your weight slightly off the saddle and release a touch of power. This reduces drivetrain load so the chain can move smoothly. Use the right shifter to move to an easier gear or the left to change chain rings. Shift one stage at a time. Make sure to watch chain alignment and listen for noise so you catch misfeeds early. Once you've practiced lightning pedal force during a shift, string shifts together with intention. During a climb, ease pressure and shift to an easier rear cog first. If that isn't enough, then move the front chainring while pedaling smoothly. Make sure to avoid extreme chain angles. Don't pair big ring with biggest cog, because that increases wear and reduces shifting reliability. Use small, deliberate inputs on the shifters and maintain steady cadence, so each transition completes cleanly. To finish, stabilize cadence and verify all gears engage cleanly. Ride a short stretch and cycle through the cassette to confirm alignment. If the chain drops, immediately stop pedaling, carefully place the chain back on the appropriate ring or cog, then pedal gently to re-establish tension. For persistent skipping or delayed shifts, make small barrel adjuster turns or fine-tune the derailleur limit screws. This corrects cable tension and prevents future problems, keeping your drivetrain efficient and quiet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.